Hi kids, today I'm going to read you a story called Kitty and the Birds. And I hope you read along with me. It is, I don't know what level it is. Let me see. It is a level, it's a level 4. Alright, here we go. Kitty and the Birds. There is a word in here that is tricky. I'm going to show it to you. So when you come to it, you won't be like, what word is that? Aha, it's this word right here. And you can't sound it out, and the word is naughty. Because the birds talk to the kitty and they say, naughty kitty. So that's a word that when you come to it, you might be able to recognize. Okay, so we're going to go and we're going to read this story right here. I'm wondering what that kitty is doing. Well, let's see what these words say. Can you read them? Kitty is hungry. Kitty is looking for a bird. I wonder if the kitty's gonna get a bird. Aha! Get your mouth ready with that first sound. Here comes a bird. Here comes Kitty. The bird is up in the tree. The bird is safe. The birds look down at Kitty. Naughty kitty, naughty kitty, naughty kitty. Kitty is hungry. Meow, meow. Come in, Kitty. Here you are, Kitty. Kitty is not hungry. Kitty is up on the bed. Kitty is asleep. Cheep, cheep, cheep. Kitty is asleep. Kitty is asleep. Cheep, cheep, cheep.